Precisely the 2.2 million guys. baby, oh. ये तुम first 15 seconds में डाल देना, actually controversy है. नहीं, you just want to hate me.
मुझे सिखाने It's a man's job.
Dark. It's not very
अरे क्या?
Does anybody relate?
That's a childhood trauma or what?
I don't know. I should bring it up in therapy.
But अंकुश इतने saturated market में creator बनना
हाँ
आसान
मत आओ
नहीं.
प्लीज, यार बहुत लोग आ चुके हैं. See, that's a good podcast.
Hi from Brute. This is Mehul. Welcome to The Other Side. And today, on The Other Side, we're going to be delving into the other side of things in terms of men in women-dominated fields. But first, I want to get into the core of it. What do you think is masculine makeup and feminine makeup? Give it to me, Ankush.
कुछ नहीं होता masculine makeup. Makeup is makeup, okay? Like, I mean, how does it matter what is masculine, what is feminine? But, I mean, there are two ways of answering this. I personally don't believe there is anything called masculine makeup. There is anything called feminine makeup.
Yeah.
But if I were to go by like popular belief, like for example, how most men in my knowledge would want to do makeup is a certain way. How most women would want to do makeup is a certain way. You know, like for example, if, for example, I'm a guy, I don't always wear eye makeup, for example, because like I like it to be like more natural, easy, lightweight. So I just do my base and basic concealing. A lot of guys around me, they just want to conceal their dark circles and that's it. They don't want to do anything.
Yeah.
So I also feel like a lot of men, because they're still stepping into makeup and getting comfortable with it, for them makeup is mostly like very undetectable. कि मतलब देख के पता ना चले कि makeup करा है.
Correct.
That's the practical aspect of it.
Yeah.
You know, when women do makeup, they want to show off their eyeliner, they want to show off their lipstick, their blush, they want everything to be seen.
Yeah.
So that's the practical aspect of it. If you just talk about what is feminine makeup, what is masculine makeup, I guess makeup is just makeup. And like if I want to wear an eyeshadow and an eyeliner, I shouldn't be thinking ये तो मैं लड़का हूँ मैं क्यों लगाऊँ ये. कई बार मुझे events पे like when it goes with the outfit, I also do eyeliner, I also do like a lot of things. A lot of women don't like makeup.
Exactly.
So it completely depends on personal preference, yeah.
I think it's the masculinity and the femininity that is in a person, in a human being, whether it's a man or a woman. It's
And don't
that.
we all have like a bit of both in us, like all of us?
Exactly. As you're growing up and what all you go through while you're growing up, that sort of builds whether you're a masculine energy or a feminine energy or a mix of both. So how did those things trigger you to be the kind of person you are today? In your childhood, take us back.
I don't know, yaar. What I would say is that I've not been scared of being expressive as a man. That's because because I grew up with 3 women, like 2 elder sisters, a mother, father. There was just one man in the house. There were 3 women in the house, and I was very, very close to my sisters. So I feel like that really made me feel okay with crying, with expressing myself. With being around women. I also growing up, school mein I remember I had a lot of female friends also. So like I don't see women as the other party. You know what I mean? Which a lot of guys growing up, they're like, हम लड़कियों के साथ नहीं बैठेंगे, हम इनके साथ lunch नहीं करेंगे. मेरे साथ वो case नहीं था, thankfully, because I was practically brought up by 3 women.
And also these sentences that were conditioned to, right? Like, अरे लड़कियों जैसे क्यों behave कर रहा है और लड़कियों जैसे क्यों रो रहा है और लड़कियों जैसे क्यों तैयार हो रहा है.
मेरे को होता था बचपन में कितनी बार होता था क्योंकि I was always into painting and dramatics and arts and बाकी लड़के फुटबॉल खेलते थे. So मुझे सुनने को मिलता था बहुत.
And people think those are all feminine things. No, it's just creative things, guys.
There are so many great artists in the world who are men.
Exactly.
So again, I feel like हम as men we are constantly trying to define masculinity as the opposite of femininity. तो हमने जो घर में देखा ना कि मम्मी ये करती हैं और पापा ये करते हैं, हम उसको ही देख के हम अपना मन बना लेते हैं कि हमें जो भी करना है हमें ये वाली चीजें नहीं करनी.
Correct.
So it's okay for a man to, you know, do kalakari with his beard, but it's not okay for him to wear concealer.
Correct.
I see no difference between the two.
Yeah.
I see no difference between being a sneakerhead and being a makeup buff. It's the same thing.
What's your idea of feminism in today's world? Because there are a lot of descriptions, ideas, perceptions on feminism. There's anti-feminist people. There's feminists who just push the idea of women wanting to be at the top. But it's actually equality, right?
If you believe that every person deserves the same respect, you are a feminist. It's as simple, like according to me. And again, this is also, मुझे भी जो कुछ पता है feminism के बारे में, it's through the women in my life around me. So like I've also learned all of this by listening to them. And yeah, I mean, like if you think, like if you're saying I'm not a feminist, are you saying that, you know, this person deserves this much respect, but you know, women don't?
That's not, it shouldn't be like that, right?
Yeah, and I feel like people get defensive for no reason about this. Like, I mean, why everybody should be a feminist?
Exactly.
Yeah.
But the idea of feminism is very different in different people.
यार देखो, मेरे हिसाब से तो जितना in my little understanding, I don't know how much I understand it, but I feel like feminism basically means that it got started because women were not given the same rights. They were not on the same platform as men. So this movement was started not to favor women, but to bring them at par with men.
To equalize them.
Yeah, exactly. And I also feel like feminism, I've had this discussion so many times with men, that feminism also benefits men. Because feminism also humanizes men just as much as women.
Yeah.
So many men get bullied because they're effeminate. So many men get bullied because they wear makeup. But if you truly believe that everybody deserves equal respect, it also means that you don't have to live under that pressure of, you know, what you think a man is supposed to be.
Yeah.
So yeah, matlab, just listen to women around you. They will tell you so much that you as a man can never process because you've not lived their life. You know?
For our men audiences, how to listen? Please, masterclass in listening. I don't think men.
Listen without being defensive, because I feel like as men, sometimes when women tell you their lived experiences, your reaction will be, but what about me? But what about men? But this, that. And I'm like, abhi unki baat sun lo pehle, because they're coming from a lived experience. And मतलब बचपन में फॉर एग्जांपल जब घर पे रिश्तेदार आते थे, ठीक है, तो अब मैं शॉर्ट्स में बैठा हूँ, मुझे मम्मी कुछ नहीं बोलेंगी, बट मेरी बहन को बोलेंगी कि तुम पजामा पहन लो या फुल टी शर्ट पहन लो. सो माई सिस्टर्स मेड श्योर दैट दे विल टेल मी, देख, you see the difference, you see how you're being treated, like we're both kids, but see how you're being treated versus how I'm being treated.
Yeah.
So I feel like अगर मतलब मैंने सुना है इसलिए मुझे ये बात समझ आती है. So I feel like it's very, very, very important to just listen to women. मैंने एक बार, I've spoken about this so much, मैंने एक बार Instagram पे randomly story डाली थी कि ओ देखो मैं तो रात को jogging पे जा रहा हूँ something, and then so many women just messaged me saying we've never experienced this.
Yeah.
And I was like, मैं तो मजाक में एक story डाली, and so many women opened up saying कि अंकुश, like, and they weren't saying कि तुम क्यों गए or whatever, they were just saying कि you know, can't relate because हम तो रात को कभी जॉगिंग पे जाने की सोच भी नहीं सकते.
आप दिल्ली में थे क्या?
हाँ.
इसलिए.
Exactly. And I was like, यार, again, I mean, I could have never like thought in that direction.
And still, it's such a small, minute thing.
For me,
right?
it's such a small thing. It's like a daily thing कि ये तो रात को जॉगिंग पे जाता है. But for women, it's like they can't relate because उनके लिए just survive. It's everyday survival on the streets. So yeah.
You're absolutely right. Let's come to content creation, okay? And you have two accounts, Wing It and Ankush.
Yes. Sorry, I want to add one more thing.
Please.
I also feel like...
Rewind.
Yeah, rewind. I also feel like a lot of men, when there are any posts on feminism or, you know, like women are talking about safety, everything, which are very relevant concerns.
Yeah.
There are so many men who would be like, but what about men? But Women's Day तो Men's Day क्यों नहीं? पहली बात तो Men's Day होता है.
बहुत टाइम से हो रहा है.
Second, you will keep saying what about men, but you are the same men who will bully another man for wearing makeup. You will bully another man for being effeminate. You will bully another man if he comes out of the closet. So then how are you screaming that there's a problem when you are the problem? If you don't want, like for example, as a man on the internet, it's all 90% of the time the hate has been from men, not women. So if you really care about men's rights and men, stop being an asshole to other men.
Exactly.
It's as simple as that. So I feel like ये whataboutery जो होती है ना, basically इसका intent होता है to derail the conversation, कि जो अभी women safety की बात हो रही है हम उसको derail कर दे किसी तरह से. But because if you actually cared about men and what they go through, you would not be bullying other men in the comment section.
Correct. I think bullying is just a causes from insecurity within a person, and
Or too much time or too much internet. I guess.
yeah. Or vele people actually more than anything. But this, I want to stick to that topic. And there's also this thing that men say, not all men.
वही तो not all men but enough men ना. मतलब जैसे मेरी फ्रेंड ने मुझे बात बोली थी, वो कहती कि यार वी ऑल्सो नो नॉट ऑल मैन, बट हमें कैसे पता देख के कि कौन सा बात है?
एग्जैक्टली, ये नॉट ऑल मैन वाली बात है, वुमेन को नहीं समझ में आती है. बिकॉज if a woman is sharing with you how they feel unsafe or why they're insecure, or especially to do with the other gender, a man listening to this can't say, "Arey, but not all men."
मतलब अगर if you tell me right now this कि you know like this is my experience, this is how my experience has been with 90% of the men, why am I getting defensive? If I am not like that, मैं क्यों defensive हो रहा हूँ?
Exactly.
This is not about me. This is about you feeling threatened in the company of a lot of men in your life. That's your experience. That's not for me to question.
Correct.
So मतलब बड़े होते हुए आई एम श्योर मैंने भी ऐसी कभी कोई बात बोली होगी, तो मेरी बहन ने डांटा मुझे. शी वाज लाइक, भाई मतलब थोड़ा just be a little aware of how the scales are tilted in your favor.
Yeah.
So just be aware of that.
You are at that age where it's not even like a midlife crisis, but it's not even like you can experiment with like a lot of things.
मिड लाइफ क्राइसिस तो मुझे बचपन से हो रहा है पहली बात तो. उसके लिए तुम्हें मिड लाइफ में होने की जरूरत नहीं होती है. क्राइसिस होता है, वो कभी भी आ सकता है. यार, सो I've always wanted to be an actor. That's always been the plan A. It's still the plan A. It will always, I think, it's a childhood dream, so it will always be that. Content creation happened to me incidentally because it was just something that was coming up, and I was always on the lookout for something. I think one thing I've done right in life is just being open to whatever life throws at me. तो कंटेंट क्रिएशन का मौका मिला, मैं घुस गया. आई डिडंट थिंक आई वाज फनी, बट पीपल थॉट आई वाज फनी, सो आई वाज लाइक ओके कूल, एज लॉन्ग एज यू आर गिविंग मी द व्यूज, आई एम गुड. स्टार्टेड कॉमेडी, एंड देन आई थिंक इन द लॉकडाउन, बिकॉज मैं मम्मी के साथ वीडियो शूट करता था, और मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि कैमरे पे आने के लिए आपको थोड़ा बहुत मेकअप तो करना पड़ेगा, राइट? उससे पहले मेकअप आर्टिस्ट वगैरह होते थे, बिकॉज आई वाज वर्किंग फॉर अ प्लेटफॉर्म, सो दे हैड अ मेकअप आर्टिस्ट, स्टाइलिस्ट, एवरीथिंग. सो हमें आदत थी, हम स्टूडियो में जाके बैठते थे, हम पे मेकअप होता था, हम शूट करते थे. But now in the lockdown, when I was shooting content with my mother, she had no idea about how to do makeup. कुछ नहीं आता था उनको. And उनके पास एक फाउंडेशन स्टिक थी, एक ब्लश था, एक लिपस्टिक थी, something. And I was like, चलो अब मुझे ही करना पड़ेगा. So मैंने किया. And my mom loves getting ready. She doesn't know how to do it, but she loves the process of like just sitting and someone doing her makeup. So I started shooting vlogs with her, मैंने content बनाया, and people loved the idea that इस लड़के को कुछ आता नहीं है, और ये भी पहली बार कैमरे पे ट्राई कर रहा है मम्मी पे मेकअप. And that made for great content,
and that made for a great YouTube IP for you as well.
Exactly. And that's when I was like, okay, how about I start like journaling this thing where I just do people's makeup, and I can mess up, and it's okay, because I don't put the pressure of being perfect on myself. If I love something, I will do it. And धीरे धीरे ना मुझे realize हुआ that I liked makeup because it was taking me back to this childhood hobby that I had of painting. जो somewhere down the line ना मैंने छोड़ दी थी. And makeup is like art, right? Like you mix things, then you make a new color, and you know, I see everything as a color, and you know, how about you use a contour as a lip liner, and you know, so many new things you can try. So मुझे बड़े मजे आने लगे. And then I just started a new page. जैसे कुछ लोग बनाना ब्रेड बना रहे थे, कुछ लोग डालगोना कॉफी बना रहे थे, मैं मेकअप कर रहा. It was my lockdown hobby, okay? It was not supposed to be serious. And then the page started getting a lot of appreciation, and people were like, yeah, wow, like, I mean, this is a new side to you. We've never seen you like this. This is a real insight into your life in the lockdown. और लॉकडाउन में सबके पास इतना टाइम था कि सब एक दूसरे की लाइफ में इतने इन्वेस्टेड थे.
बहुत सारे. अरे लॉकडाउन बेबीज इज अ रियल थिंग. Like you're a lockdown baby as well.
I guess. I don't know. I existed for a long time, but yeah, lockdown gave
Wing
me...
it with Ankush is a lockdown baby.
I'm two people, I keep forgetting. Yeah. So, and again, like, I felt like I'm two people because in comedy, I had a different personality, but in makeup, I was a learner. I was like, I'm going back to school, and I'm learning things from scratch, so that excitement was there, and I think that translated into my content. People found it... I've been told that my audience, a lot of people from my audience told me that it was refreshing for them to see someone who's not talking makeup from a place of authority, who's like, I'm also a beginner, you're also a beginner, let's learn together.
Learn as it goes.
Yeah.
I think authenticity is
I guess.
the main point of relatability. I think if you're not authentic, then you're not relatable.
I mean, you can be aspirational, but I don't see myself as aspirational. I don't see myself as someone जिसको देख के लोग बोलेंगे मुझे ऐसा बनना है. अपने जैसे बनो. मुझे अपने जैसा बनना है, तुमको अपने जैसे बनना है, मेरे जैसे मत बनो. So I was just like, I don't know makeup, but I'll figure it out, and it makes for great content. And my job is to create gripping content.
Exactly.
So I'll do that while I fail, and that's okay. So
And you've done both. You've done long form content as well as short form. What stays with your heart more?
money. Money stays in my heart more. नहीं यार. I
So
mean,
YouTube.
yeah, the thing is, no matter how much you like something, when it's your profession, you also need to think of like how you're going to earn. And everything on the internet is shifting towards shorter form of content, and like attention span कम है, gratification ज़्यादा है, so you tend to, every content creator tends to move towards like shorter form. So, but my heart is with long form, I have to say, because I feel like जो तसल्ली से बैठ के, अब जैसे मैं मेकअप वीडियोस बनाता हूँ इंस्टाग्राम पे, I have to script it so intelligently that 90 seconds में सब fit आ जाए.
Hit. Yeah.
I can make the same video into a 10-minute video, and you will be able to do it with me. That sounds wrong. But you will be able to do it as we go. That also sounds wrong.
Yeah.
You will be able to watch me and do your own makeup along with me. Yeah.
That's the one.
Yeah, and we'll learn together. So that's my personal struggle as a content creator. That I need to start to juggle long form and short form together.
How does one do that? I know you're still learning, but for our beginners out
मुझे
there.
पता होता तो मैं आज पता नहीं कहाँ होता. नहीं यार, I guess you just need to prioritize things, and I feel like the thing with content creation is that it's a lot of decision on your own part. तुम्हें कितने videos बनाने हैं? How greedy do you want to be with views? Like, where do you draw that line between this I'm doing for the algorithm and this I'm doing for my personal,
For myself.
For myself and the kind of content that I want to make? And yeah, I guess that's the constant struggle, because sometimes I'll have to focus on long form and then short form will take a hit and then I'll have to go back. So it's about like knowing how to juggle a lot of things. I was going to say.
A cisgender man doing minimal makeups, that's why I said subtly pushing the cause, is something that at least India in terms of content creation has not seen.
Yeah, see, the sad part is that there are so many queer artists who have done the same thing before me, and they've not gotten the appreciation. And I wish the support that I get, everybody on the internet gets, no matter whether they're a man or a woman. Women who do makeup get so much hate sometimes. You're wearing too much makeup, or your skin is not great, and whatever. So I just feel like the acceptance that I get, I wish everybody gets that. But the bitter truth is that cisgender men would first listen to other cisgender men.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, but I guess that, I mean, change sometimes happens slowly. So I feel like if I see other cisgender men around me be a little more open-minded every day, I think I find that some progress. No?
Absolutely. 100%. And I think we are getting there in certain ways.
थोड़े तो स्लो हैं यार. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इंस्टाग्राम पे वोक होना और असली लाइफ में वोक होने में बहुत फर्क है. मतलब इंस्टाग्राम पे तो कूल बनने के लिए कोई भी बोलेगा आई सपोर्ट एवरीथिंग, बट तुम अपने प्राइवेट सर्कल्स में किसका कैसे मजाक उड़ा रहे हो, उससे पता चलता है कि तुम एक्चुअली क्या सोच रहे हो.
Also about your actions, right? Towards making a person feel comfortable, or towards just letting them be. I feel like that also has to be learned in our
मतलब
generation.
आप इंटरनेट पे जितना भी सपोर्ट कर लो, अगर आपको मेट्रो में कोई लड़का मेकअप पहन के दिखा, तो क्या आप अपने दोस्तों के साथ उसका मजाक उड़ाओगे कि नहीं?
आप भेजोगे वो ग्रुप चैट पे फोटो?
तो फिर इंटरनेट पे वो कोने, like that's just I feel like that's an echo chamber.
Yeah.
The ground reality can be very different. Like last year, this teenager makeup creator committed suicide because he was bullied so much.
Exactly.
So I feel like
RIP.
again, मतलब इसमें privilege is a very big role. मतलब जैसे मेरी cisgender privilege is because I do minimal makeup, I'm still a little more accepted. अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेरे साथ भी होता है, अगर मैंने किसी दिन ब्लू आई शेडो लगा लिया तो द रिस्पॉन्स स्लाइटली चेंजेस कि यार इतना तो ठीक था बट ये मत कर. लाइक मिनिमल मेकअप तो तेरे पे हमें अच्छा लगता है समटाइम्स मैन से, बट अब ये तू लड़कियों वाली हरकतें कर रहा है. सो यू नो व्हाट आई मीन, लाइक लोगों का सपोर्ट इज ऑल्सो लाइक विद कंडीशंस अप्लाइड. सो आई फील लाइक रियल एक्सेप्टेंस इज व्हेन द रियल एक्सेप्टेंस इज नॉट कि आप मुझे कंसीडर लगाने से आपको प्रॉब्लम है कि नहीं. द थिंग इज, are you okay with other people just being themselves and expressing themselves as much as they want?
Exactly. To begin with, there shouldn't even be a judgment in that
Yeah,
sense.
yeah.
Just देखो और
चाहे मैं कंसीलर की एक ड्रॉप लगाऊं या मैं पूरा फुल ड्रैग मेकअप करूं,
exactly.
you either accept me or you don't accept me.
Yeah.
So yeah, I feel like that's मुझे पहले लगता था कि यार तो सही यार, इंटरनेट पे तो सब लोग बड़े सपोर्टिव होते हैं वगैरह वगैरह, फिर मैंने देखा है रियल लाइफ में बहुत अलग होता है केस.
There used to be this thing called Marlboro Man, okay?
Okay.
Aware of that?
No.
Okay, so like in the 90s, I think this is, Marlboro Man was like, oh, a macho man, like a definition of a hunk, okay? I made a word for myself, not for myself, but a word, Maybelline Man,
Okay.
okay? Just because of
Why not?
acceptance. Why
not? Yeah.
Exactly, right? So the shift from being a Marlboro Man in India to a Maybelline Man, I think we have come a long way, but I think we have a longer way to go.
I was never a Marlboro man anyway. I feel like I there are many kinds of men. I feel like men are also constantly living under the pressure of being a certain kind of guy. So you could be going to the gym, you could have like big muscles, but if you don't know how to deal with your emotions, for example, you might feel like, yeah, I'm not man enough. Some other men feel like we're not men enough because we don't have the body for it, or we don't have that authoritative thing. So many men are conscious of their voices.
Yes.
So many men are conscious about their hair.
Yeah.
So I feel like these insecurities, so many men are living with these insecurities, and I'm like, bhai, if you just learn how to accept another man, it might help you accept yourself more.
I'm sure, as we were just talking about negative comments and, you know, people hiding behind the screen and saying all sorts of things, especially men.
Yeah.
How have you learned to deal with it? Because I'm sure that you've gotten that a lot more as the kind of niche that you've chosen as well. Another one, not comedy. But how have you learned to accept that as you keep going along the way?
मैं तो सर पीट के होता हूँ. That's the only way to deal with it, यार. I mean, I feel like, यार देखो, अब at this point I've understood what is senseless hate. Like for example, if someone hates on me for just being a man and doing makeup, I am a little detached from that, and I'm like, ठीक है. Like I mean,
Don't care.
I don't care. I mean, अगर मेरा बुरा दिन जा रहा है, it'll affect me. But अगर my day is going fine, then I'll be able to dissociate from it, and I'll be like, I've gone beyond this line now. This doesn't affect me because I'm very comfortable about wearing makeup. People around me have thankfully been very supportive, so I don't need your support, so your opinion doesn't matter. Having said that, as a content creator, you are kind of a people pleaser, and you are surviving on the internet on the basis of, you know, love.
Yeah.
And 100 अच्छे comments होंगे, लेकिन वो गंदे दिन पे वो 2 गंदे comments तुमको इतना बुरी तरह चुभेंगे ना, and you're like, यार क्या कमी रह गई थी मेरे कंटेंट में जो तुम ये बोल रहे हो. बट अब मैं तो बहस भी करने लग जाता हूँ. मैं तो करता हूँ बहस.
आप कमेंट पे रिप्लाई करते हो?
मैं लंबे लंबे पैराग्राफ देता हूँ.
Yes.
There was this one time this guy messaged me, DM'd me something really bad, and लोगों को नहीं समझ आता ना कि हम लोग एक्चुअली DMs पढ़ते हैं. उनको लगा भेज दिया, कौन पढ़ेगा, मैंने पढ़ लिया. एंड मैंने उसको 2 पैराग्राफ लिखे. आई गिव हिम अ लेक्चर ऑन मैस्कुलिनिटी, दिस दैट. उसका रिप्लाई है, भाई मैं तो मजाक कर रहा था. एंड आई वाज लाइक, वाओ, दिस इज सो एम्बैरेसिंग. मैंने उसे 2 पैराग्राफ लिखे हैं. वो जाके लोगों को बोलेगा कि ये इन्फ्लुएंसर है, इसके पास इतना वेला टाइम है, ये एक इंसान को 2 पैराग्राफ लिख के भेज रहा है.
No, you educated him. That's the thing.
आई डोंट थिंक ही वांटेड दैट एजुकेशन.
नहीं, वो अपनी ईगो में आके बोल रहा था कि भाई मैं तो मजाक कर रहा था, बट उसके दिल पे लगी है वो बात. अंकुश, आपने सिखाया है उसको कुछ उस दिन?
पता नहीं यार, मतलब मुझे अब आई एम एट अ स्पेस नाउ वेयर आई एम लाइक, इफ यू आर गोइंग टू हेट ऑन मी, जस्ट हेट ऑन मी in the comment section and share my reel on your story and then hate on me, ताकि मुझे कुछ engagement तो मिले उससे. That's the least you can do for me.
Yeah.
If you're ruining my mental health by leaving a hate comment, you might as well own up to it and put a story about me. Why not?
Yeah. I mean, yeah, any kind of publicity is publicity at the end
And
of the day.
I am now, I firmly believe that people, अब हम इतना time spend करते हैं ना इंटरनेट पे, I think people don't realize कि उनकी भी, people think they're not accountable for whatever they do on the internet. Like you can make an idea and write whatever shit you want on a public person's profile, but without thinking of any repercussions. So I feel like मैं उनको shout out दे देता हूँ. फिर I'm like, if you had the guts to come and write galis on my comment section from your ID, it's absolutely fair for me to tell people कि oh, this person has done this in my comment section, because you're doing it in the public domain, so you have to be ready for anything that comes after that.
Exactly.
So I feel like sometimes उनको अपना वो 2 मिनट का कूल बनना था ना कमेंट डाल के, मैं तुम्हें 15 मिनट देता हूँ, बनो कूल, मैं पिन कर दूंगा तुम्हारा कमेंट. फिर एवरीबडी हु कम्स and fights with you, that's on you then.
Yeah.
Because you should be ashamed. Your friends who follow you on Instagram should see it. कि तुम कैसे comments डाल रहे हो लोगों के comment section में.
I think that constant social media attachment of our generation
Yeah.
and it leading to so many several mental issues in us. Not just for creators, as normal human beings
Yeah,
also,
sabka.
right? Like you're constantly comparing yourself. You're like, wow, we're going on vacations. How do you balance that?
I don't. I struggle
No,
to balance it.
yes.
Yeah, this is तो मतलब I see so many people around me who are not creators also struggle with it.
Yeah.
अब तो हर कोई ट्रिप पे जाके रील बनाते हैं ना दोस्तों के साथ. मतलब अब तो वो बाउंड्री और भी ब्लर हो गई कि
Yeah.
पहले हमारा काम होता था कंटेंट बनाना, अब नाउ इट्स जस्ट अ वे ऑफ एग्जिस्टिंग ऑन सोशल मीडिया. अगर तुमने ट्रिप पे जाके रील नहीं डाली तो डिड यू इवन गो ऑन द ट्रिप, राइट? सो या आई फील लाइक now everything on the internet is content, and even if you're not a content creator, you are in that pressure to cash in on everything good that's happening in your life. And I don't know उससे क्या बच सकते हो. At least creators earn from it, so I think a good way to be is just to become a creator. Then अगर तुमने इस मिजरी में ही जीना है तो इससे पैसा ही कमा लो.
But अंकुश, इतने सैचुरेटेड मार्केट में
Yeah.
क्रिएटर बनना
हाँ
आसान
बताओ
नहीं.
प्लीज यार, बहुत लोग आ चुके हैं. बहुत लोग आ चुके हैं, हम लोग के लिए कंपटीशन बढ़ रहा है. आई डोंट नो कंटेंट देख कौन रहा है जब सब लोग कंटेंट ही बना रहे हैं तो. सो क्या बताओ.
Speaking of limitless, what is self-expression for you?
Self expression for me is a very heavy question. Self expression for me is to just be able to, again, just be able to be myself and be unapologetic, I think. Just be unapologetic. And also, self expression is to also accept that I am changing as a person every day. Like, there was a time I had no interest in makeup and then it suddenly popped up. And you should just always be very aware of where you are in life. And I feel like now I also enjoy fashion. So I love doing that. And I think that's self expression for me, to keep up with where my life is taking me and how I'm becoming as a person. I'm not the same person as I was 7 years ago, and my content doesn't show that anymore. So I don't want to be stuck with an image. Self expression for me is to create a brand out of the person that I am and not my work. When people think of Ankush Bahuguna, they shouldn't think of a comedy page or a viral reel or a makeup reel or a makeup page. They should think of the things that I stand for and the person that I am.
Absolutely. I think the culmination of every small little thing that a person
Yeah.
is ideally what they got to sell as a content creator,
Yeah.
especially because if you are coming in the category of influencing people, then I feel like it also comes with a lot of pressure on your shoulders. Do you feel that
पता नहीं
sometimes?
कौन ही influence हो रहा है यार किसी से अब इतने, but I don't
यार
know.
हेलो, precisely 2 million लोग इन्फ्लुएंस हो रहे हैं आपके दोनों पर्सनालिटीज को मिला के.
Precisely तो 2.2 million है guys. But पता नहीं, influence is a very heavy word, तो मुझे पता नहीं. See, that's not for me to decide कि मैं
Yeah.
influence कर रहा हूँ कि नहीं कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ.
That's for you to tell me. I'm kidding. No, that's for people to decide if they're getting influenced by me or not. I can't control that. I can't be like, okay, मुझे influencer बनना है. I can say मुझे content creator बनना है. If my content that I put out is influencing people in a good way, I'm very happy. Even if I'm not influencing, I'm doing it because I love doing it. Forgot your question.
It's okay, even I forgot.
See, that's a good podcast where the host only forgets the question. That's amazing.
No, we were actually speaking about content creation and influencing people. And speaking of influencing people, आपकी लाइफ में ऐसा कोई था बचपन में जिन्होंने, of course, your sisters and your mama, but जिन्होंने आपको इतना इन्फ्लुएंस किया कि अरे यार ऐसा बनना है लाइफ में?
Not that I can think of यार, पता नहीं बचपन मेरा, I feel like my बचपन is such a blur that I consider college my बचपन. I don't know why. I feel like I didn't make a lot of friends in school, and like school life was always like get up, go to school, just wind up your work, come back, and the whole school life उसमें निकल गई मेरी. I feel like I bloomed in college.
Yeah,
तो-
yeah, as many people do.
या लाइक कुछ लोग बोलते हैं कि स्कूल लाइफ यार मेरी इतनी एक्साइटिंग थी मेरे बचपन के. मैं एक इंसान से बात नहीं करता हूँ मेरे स्कूल से.
अरे जो स्कूल में पीक करते हैं ना अंकुश, बस वो रह जाते हैं.
मैं कब पिक करूंगा यार. स्कूल भी हो गया, कॉलेज भी हो गया, मैं कब पिक करूंगा.
No, until now you don't think you peaked in life?
See, if मतलब admitting that I've already peaked will be a very sad state of affairs because I'll be like तो peak भी हो गया अब क्या करूँ मैं इस दुनिया में आके but पता नहीं I think I started being myself in college. I found people who I could start from scratch ना मतलब स्कूल में तो अब बचपन से मैं एक ही स्कूल में था तो
Correct, you get a retake.
yeah then you get a retake in life. I was like okay how do I embarrass myself in new ways now अब तो कॉलेज में नए लोग हैं मुझे नहीं जानते पहले से and I was in architecture school and architecture as an industry is very open minded.
Yeah.
So they allow you to be an artist, photography, इतने सारे मतलब you know.
Yeah, designing, all of that.
Yeah, so they're very open minded people. So I just got to be myself and not be judged for not being into sports and being a typical guy. People told me, oh, you're actually funny. I discovered my love for dancing in college.
You dance?
I love to dance. I don't know
Wow.
how well, but I love to dance.
Wow, what dance do you like to do?
उसका अभी तक ना डांसर्स ने उसको कोई नाम नहीं निकाला है जो मैं डांस करता हूँ. It's
अच्छा,
somewhere in between like
गणेश चतुर्थी वाला dance?
Bharat dance meets Nagin dance meets whatever's trending in Bollywood. So yeah.
I completely understand. I'm with you on that. But no, I'm sorry. I'm a shamak dancer. So.
I've also attended one workshop. from
कौन सी
Shamak.
winter funk, summer funk?
Monsoon funk.
Monsoon.
baby, oh. I've done that.
You didn't do like a 90s dance?
No, हाँ, उर्वशी भी किया था.
उर्वशी मैंने तो वो किया था कहना है क्या
Oh wow.
Do you think you want to do other things for your YouTube audience besides makeup, of course? Because you're an actor, maybe like a story-based show on YouTube. Or...
I want to make my own short films. I want to.
Yeah.
I feel like अब मतलब खुद ही को कास्ट करना पड़ेगा guys.
So कि Kareena
Yeah,
Kapoor
why not?
Khan can do it, you can also do.
Kareena Kapoor Khan has also done a lot of work before me, which I'm not. So I don't think it's a fair comparison to compare me to the Kareena Kapoor. But very sweet of you. I don't think motivation works for me, guys, as you can clearly see.
What works for you? What motivates you?
Just bitch about things with me, rant with me, vent out with me, and don't look for a solution. Because I don't want solutions. I just want to bitch.
Okay, if you're bitching about something in your life right now, what is it?
Just my sleep schedule not happening for forever. आज तक कभी sleep schedule ही नहीं बन पाया यार.
Is that after COVID?
No,
or
before also. कभी था ही नहीं sleep schedule. पता नहीं. बनता ही नहीं है यार.
Are you an anxious person in general?
Very. I have anxiety.
That's why.
That's why.
Yeah. Anxiety really affects.
But जब काम करने की बारी आती है तब आ जाती है नींद. Yeah.
ये तो मेरे को ये मैं
अभी भी
इसका
जब मैं आया
आंसर
तो
नहीं
मैं बहुत
बता.
sleepy था.
I know.
फिर से काम करना पड़ेगा अभी आ रही है नींद.
Health, mental wellness, and the balance
सबका
between that.
डब्बा गोल है मेरा.
अरे,
Sorry, what?
no, I love how candid you are being
अरे
right now.
यही है यार और क्या मतलब मेंटल हेल्थ किसी कंटेंट क्रिएटर की मेंटल हेल्थ ठीक नहीं है गाइस.
नहीं है क्या?
किसी की ठीक नहीं है मैं बता रहा हूँ तुम्हें. तो कितना भी बोल ले सबकी मेंटल हेल्थ के लगे पड़े हैं. Yeah.
अच्छा ठीक है तो एटलीस्ट बैलेंस करने के लिए कुछ तो करते होगे ना आप. क्या करते हो?
झूठ बोलता हूँ कि बैलेंस्ड है. नहीं यार मैं I've started therapy and I'm hoping it'll help me.
Yeah.
So yeah, my therapist just basically told me you need a break, Ankush. You're going too fast in your life.
Yes.
You need a break. Yes, क्या yes?
No. I'm not agreeing with the therapist. I'm agreeing with like sometimes a lot of something can
Yeah,
also be bad.
Because my brain works
Even if it's
24/7
good.
about as a content creator. तुम्हारी कोई बाउंड्री नहीं होती ना क्या काम है क्या पर्सनल लाइफ है. दोस्तों के साथ हैंग आउट करो तब भी सोच रहे हो कि मिनी व्लॉग आजकल सब मिनी व्लॉग बना रहे हैं मिनी व्लॉग बना लेते हैं. आजकल सब ये बना रहे हैं अब ये बना लेते हैं. So I feel like वो बाउंड्री प्लस you get so when you grow up without friends, without validation from people around you, and you get a lot of external validation एकदम से you attach yourself to it.
100%.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
And you detach yourself with the family or the friend circle.
I'm very close to friends, but I don't make as much time for them because I'm so engrossed in my work. Because रोज का वो क्या बोलते हैं डोपामाइन बोलते हैं क्या बोलते हैं सेरोटोनिन नहीं सेरोटोनिन
Yeah, serotonin, dopamine.
जो भी ये सब होता है जिससे खुशी मिलती है.
Happy hormones.
हाँ हैप्पी हार्मोन्स जो होते हैं वो तुम्हें इंटरनेट से मिलते हैं तो यू
Yeah.
गेट सो एडिक्टेड टू इट कि अब जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आज मैंने एक रील बनाई अब वो नहीं चल रही उतना अच्छा तो मैं कॉन्स्टेंटली सोच रहा हूँ कि यार अब मैं नेक्स्ट रील ये बनाता हूँ इससे तो लोग इंप्रेस होंगे. सो आई फील लाइक इट्स अ वेरी टॉक्सिक लूप.
Yeah, and it's always the next thing.
द नेक्स्ट थिंग यार, मतलब एक टाइम था मैंने सोचा नहीं था मेरे 10,000 फॉलोअर्स होंगे. मेरी लाइफ में सबसे बड़ी वो थी कि यार मुझे 10,000 लोग फॉलो कर लें, मजा आ जाएगा. कभी सोचा भी नहीं कि 10,000 लोग एक रूम में कैसे दिखते होंगे, इतने सारे लोग. एंड इवन 10,000 लोग इज नॉट लेस ना, मतलब लाइक 10,000 इज अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल.
But now, in terms of nowadays world and social media, 10,000 follower मतलब
वो तो क्यों खरीदे हुए हैं ना लोगों ने. नहीं, ये तुम फर्स्ट 15 सेकंड में डाल देना, अच्छी खासी कंट्रोवर्सी हो जाएगी. नहीं, किडिंग. सो मतलब द थिंग इज, एक टाइम पे लगता था कि 10,000 फॉलोअर्स विल बी द बिगेस्ट थिंग. नाउ आई हैव अबाउट 2.2 मिलियन. अभी भी वही लगता है कि यार पर उसके तो 4 हो गए इतनी देर में, मेरे जितने में एक हुए उसके तो 4 हो गए.
Yeah.
सो आई फील लाइक यू कॉन्स्टेंटली वांटिंग मोर.
Do you still compare yourself with like other content creators?
अभी मेरा सर्च खोल के देखो, सारे क्रिएटर्स को मैंने स्टॉक करा हुआ है कि किसकी कौन सी रील कितने व्यूज पे है. हाँ यार, मतलब मैं करता हूँ. आई मीन देयर इज नो रीजन टू लाई अबाउट इट. आई डू.
Yeah, because I wanted to know, because a lot of younger, not younger, smaller content creators tend to do that. Ki, oh, you know, they are growing faster. And I think when you're a smaller level content creator to when you get big, it's a very fast change, if I'm not
For
wrong.
some people, for me it's been very gradual and very slow. So
Okay.
मेरे लिए ऐसे कोई overnight spike कभी नहीं आया.
No.
कभी नहीं आया. मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ भाई, मेरी किस्मत ऐसी चमके कि एक दिन में सुबह मैं न्यूज़पेपर्स पे हूँ and everybody's like, oh my god, who is this new guy? तो न्यू भी नहीं हूँ. तो मतलब like it's been quite gradual for me, I think. And I'm happy because I feel like that spike also like fucks with your mental health a little bit. Because when it dips,
Correct.
if there's a high, there's going to be as much of a low.
Yeah,
you know?
you're right.
So, yeah.
Then you're glad you're the gradual ones then.
I'm glad तो मतलब अब बोलना पड़ेगा because that's I don't have an option. But I feel, yeah, मतलब I'm very grateful for the community that I've built. Having said that, I would like a lot more.
Inshallah, here's to that. Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? This is not
My
a job.
therapist's office, sure. No, I see myself scaling up for sure. Because I also feel like as a content creator ना, एक टाइम था जब मैं रोज सुबह उठ के सोचता था मुझे क्या रील बनानी है, क्या कम्युनिटी बिल्ड करनी है. आई फील लाइक आई हैव बिल्ट दैट कम्युनिटी एंड आई फील लाइक नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर मी टू स्केल अप एंड डू बिगर थिंग्स, यू नो. अब आपने अगर ये कम्युनिटी बनाई, एक प्लेटफॉर्म बनाया, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग टू मूव अहेड नाउ एंड यूज दिस कम्युनिटी टू क्रिएट समथिंग बिगर, यू नो. सो मे बी माई ओन मेकअप ब्रांड, आई वांट टू डू दैट.
F, yes.
Yeah, I
Have you
want to
thought
do
of a
that.
name?
आई हैव. पर अभी बता दूंगा, किसी और क्रिएटर ने अपना ब्रांड खोल लिया, फिर मैं पहले ट्रेडमार्क कराऊंगा, फिर इट्स नॉट वेरी.
अरे क्या?
गेस करो गाइस, टेक अ
Wow,
गेस.
कितना wow, क्या fresh है
टेक अ
वो.
गेस. इतना इनोवेटिव नाम है ना.
Wow, I really hope that you get this full circle moment of your life, because I think the wave that you've created in terms of minimal makeup, especially in the category of men's, because it's not that this is a women-dominated field. There are more men makeup artists than female makeup artists, especially in the industry. Like Bollywood, in Bollywood, there used to be only male makeup artists.
मतलब लड़कियों को तो काम ही नहीं करने दिया जाता था. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, women were not allowed to work only for such a long time. Plus,
Yeah.
they're not trusted as much in the professional workspace. Like so many women tell me that the same job I can do better than a man, but they'd rather hire a male resource than a female resource.
And pay them more.
Yeah, so maybe it's to do with that, because I
Yeah.
don't think, I mean, ऐसे तो शेफ भी हमारी कंट्रीज में ज़्यादा मेल हैं.
Yeah.
But doesn't mean that like they cook better food than women.
Exactly.
So I
And
don't
women
think
wear,
that's the thing.
I mean, in comparison, women wear more makeup, so they know more about
Yeah,
that
Yeah,
field.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
So yeah, I think we just have to go there. But if you were to give a masterclass to our audiences, the best concealer.
The best concealer right now, I really like House of Makeup. It's a new brand, but मुझे बहुत पसंद है.
Okay. The best mascara.
The best mascara, L'Oreal Lash Paradise.
Ooh.
It's very good.
The best highlighter.
The best highlighter, अब depends, बहुत सारी categories हैं. I love, what am I loving right now? K-Beauty का जो liquid illuminator है, I'm really liking it right now.
I have that
It's
one.
very,
That's
very good.
very good, actually. A good covering foundation, long lasting.
Maybelline Lumi Matte.
What did I miss? Lipstick.
ये लिपस्टिक का मुझे ज़्यादा आइडिया नहीं है, बिकॉज मैं लगाता नहीं हूँ. मेरी मम्मी को लैक्मे की वो मिनी मेल्ट लिपस्टिक्स बहुत पसंद है, सो आई विल गो विद दैट.
Ah,
She finds it very, like, especially if mature skin people love some products, you know that they sit well on the skin. Because I feel like mature skin पे makeup थोड़ा अलग होता है.
Yeah.
So if it works on them, then it will definitely work on like younger people.
Absolutely. I'm going to help my men out there as well. What is a good eyebrow pencil for men?
I feel like
Men or
instead of
women?
eyebrow pencil na, get eyebrow wax, which is Benefit
Okay.
का एक आता है brow wax.
Okay.
So you can, it's like basically like a mascara, but it has wax in it. So you just that's what I've applied today, and you can also cover up your white hair in the beard and mustache. So क्योंकि this is a real problem with men. Sometimes they have white hair and all. अब ये बातें बोलेंगे तो खरीद लेंगे कि व्हाइट बाल छुपाने के काम आएगा तो लड़के खरीद लेंगे. अगर मैं बोलूँ कि सिर्फ तुम्हें अच्छा दिखने के लिए आईब्रो ऊपर करनी हो तो लड़कियों वाले काम है.
Yeah.
So much hypocrisy.
The duality of men right there.
या अगर मैं बोलूँ तुम्हें चिजल लगोगे तुम ब्रॉन्जर लगा के तो ले लेंगे. I am telling you, मतलब
Yeah.
I have said the same thing in multiple ways and I see men का reaction ऐसा पलटता है ऐसा. If I tell you that women love chiseled cheekbones and you should apply a bronzer and contour, they'll be like, oh bro, which one? Send link.
Ankush, I was just going to say, आप बस men को इतना बोल दो कि लड़कियों को ये
हाँ?
पसंद आने वाला है बस.
Yeah.
You're sold. It's sold right there.
It's crazy. It's crazy.
The flip side. Go wild with this, with your imagination. If Ankush Bahuguna wasn't this Ankush Bahuguna, what would he be doing?
I would like to teach.
Oh, like a subject or like life or?
Maybe makeup. I don't know. Like.
Arena.
अच्छा.
What is this?
तो content नहीं
Flip
बना
side
सकता.
के-
अच्छा, okay. I would like to. Maths maybe. I don't know. I
What?
just want to sound intelligent. I just
What?
desperately want to sound intelligent right now.
Are you good with that?
If I mean, exam देने पड़ेंगे तो पढ़ लूँगा यार. Alternate reality. I could be anything.
That's true. That's true.
But why maths teacher? I am such a
Yeah, maths
No, one
maths
second.
teacher.
If given a choice, I would. If given a choice, I would rather just be a rock. Like I wouldn't want to like be a human being. Does anybody relate?
I'm kidding. As a child, what was your favorite memory?
As a child, my favorite memory was probably singing.
Oh,
Yeah, like मेरी life में
bathroom singer?
हाँ मतलब मम्मी के सामने गा लेता था. That was the limit to my courage. मम्मी के सामने गा लेता था, but और किसी के सामने नहीं गाता था. But I used to love singing, and I've had these phases where I wanted to perform something, like either singing. I've had phases where I wanted to dance, where I wanted to sing, where I wanted to paint. So now I realize that life is coming a full circle because I always wanted to be a performer, basically, in whatever capacity.
Yeah. And you are doing that. You're dancing, you're singing, you're making people laugh. Not singing, sorry. I hope you don't.
Not yet.
Are you
Guys,
kidding?
not yet. Sing It with Ankush is on its way.
Wow, I like that. Nice.
No, I'm not going to do that, guys.
What was a food item that you used to eat as a kid and that you've forgotten about
Oh
now?
my god. Oh my god. Okay. So, when you grow up in a middle class family, जब guests के लिए अलग biscuits आते हैं और आपके लिए अलग biscuits आते हैं.
I feel you,
Yeah.
dog.
और मेरी मम्मी ने मुझे, और मैं बहुत सिंसियर बच्चा था, मम्मी ने बोला था बेटा किसी के घर पे जाके कुछ नहीं खाना. तो अपने घर पे तो मुझे मेहमानों वाले बिस्किट मिलते नहीं थे, मेहमानों के घर पे भी मुझे शर्म आती थी उनका बिस्किट खाने में. तो मैं कभी मेहमानों वाले बिस्किट खा ही नहीं पाता था. ठीक है. एंड आई वाज वेरी ओबीडियंट. सो नहीं पूछ रही मामी जी खा लो बेटा. नहीं खाना. देन आई रियलाइज जब मम्मी गेस्ट घर पे आते हैं और वो बिस्किट्स खाते हैं तो मेरी नज़र होती थी उन पर कि 2 उठा लिए इसने, 5 ही रखे हैं, 2 तो उठा लिए इसने, मैं कब खाऊंगा. एंड देन मैंने एक बार मम्मी से पूछा मम्मी आप मुझे क्यों नहीं खाने देते हो. तो मम्मी ने बोला बेटा जब मेहमान जाएंगे तब आप खाना. आई वेंट एंड आई आस्क्ड द गेस्ट आप कब जाओगे, मुझे बिस्किट खाना है. I actually asked this to the guest. And another time, and then I grew up a little bit and I realized कि जब guest जाते हैं मम्मी उनको गेट तक सी ऑफ करने जाती है, that is the 5 seconds I get
To go
to
and eat.
steal all the biscuits. और मैं
Amazing.
सारे उठाता था और सीधा मुंह के अंदर ठूसता था. And then I feel like वो बिस्किट्स का addiction था मेरे दिमाग में कि मुझे बिस्किट का पूरा पैकेट खाना है एक बार में. So I was addicted to biscuits. I was addicted to biscuits.
I think it was also because you were not allowed
Yeah.
to do it. The rebellion in that
Yeah.
sense.
फिर जब थोड़ा बड़ा हुआ मैं पैसे सेव करने लगा तब मैं जाता था मार्केट, पूरा बिस्किट का पैकेट एक बार में खाता था. फिर मुझसे लंच नहीं खाया जाता, फिर डांट पड़ती थी. सो देन आई रियलाइज इट वाज लालच. वो जो लालच था ना वो बचपन से बिल्ड होता गया वो मेहमान वाले बिस्किट्स का. So, yeah.
That's a childhood trauma or what?
I don't know. I should bring it up in therapy. Imagine.
आपकी लाइफ में ऐसा क्या सीड आपने डाला जिसका पेड़ बना और यू आर सो हैप्पी विद इट?
I think makeup, यार. I think just that taking that plunge, just taking that dive, क्योंकि मेरे पास कोई I had so many reasons to not do it because मेरा डर था कि यार तू कॉमेडी क्रिएटर है. I was very aware कि लोग बोलेंगे कि भाई तू क्या कर रहा है. A lot of my male audience will go. They'll be like, you know, like, bro, this is not cool. Like, we don't support this. Why are you suddenly behaving like a girl and whatever? But मैंने मन की सुनी and I was like, यार, how does it matter? You know, I've been authentic so far and let me just have fun, यार. And इसीलिए मैंने थोड़े टाइम तक किसी को बताया नहीं था पेज के बारे में. But then when I got the confidence, I was like, yeah, listen, I genuinely enjoy this, and I've never had the privilege before in life to just do what I want and make content out of it. मतलब इससे बेटर टाइम क्या होगा कि तुम अपनी जिंदगी के किसी भी एस्पेक्ट का कंटेंट बना के उससे पैसा कमा सकते हो. Just go for it and look where it's got me. I have a YouTube show of my own. I went to Cannes this year.
Exactly.
International Fashion Week. So many things, so many awards, so much appreciation,
GQ.
so much love. Yeah. And I feel like मैं कभी नहीं सोच सकता था. Genuinely कभी नहीं सोच सकता था.
Hi, so sweet. Life came a full circle for you.
Yeah, I think
compact circle.
life can surprise you in so many ways if you just. I feel like life के लिए plans बनाना, dreams होना एक चीज होती है.
Yeah.
Another thing is to just keep your eyes open.
Yeah.
And you know, तुम्हारा अपनी लाइफ के लिए एक प्लान होता है, but लाइफ का तुम्हारे लिए एक और प्लान होता है.
100%.
Sometimes it's the same, but sometimes it's completely different.
Yeah.
But you also need to let life do its thing to you.
100%.
So I feel like the only right thing I've done in life, if you were to ask me one thing that I've done right in life, it was to just take what life gives me.
Yeah, I think
अब लग रहा है पॉडकास्ट में आया हूँ. ऐसा शुरू से लग रहा था कुछ ऐसा बोलो जो पॉडकास्ट में ऐसे लोग इंटेलिजेंट चीजें बोलते रहे माइक में देख के. अब फील आ रही है पॉडकास्ट की. Let's do this again.
जब खत्म हो रहे तो I'm kidding.
Yeah.
That's so amazing. I think that's a thought that you've left our audiences with. Well, thank you so much for having this
Thank you.
wonderful, wonderful chat with us. And anything you'd like to say to our audiences?
Nothing. Keep supporting my verbal diarrhea, guys. It was great to be here. It was great being here. No, honestly, बहुत मजे आए. Thank you so much.
Okay, that's a wrap.